Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota 4Runner. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip left mount number 804491. There are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it here as the blue coverings. Now you do want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, you want to make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach on the A-pillar here on the left side of the driver. The first place it's going to install is right under this piece of weather stripping. And then the second place is on the back side of the pillar, basically where the pillar meets the windshield. So basically you want to work your finger under the weather stripping here, just so you can pull it up a little bit. And then we're going to take this lower piece of the mount and we're just going to insert it until it stops. And you can let that go. And you'll see the double-sided tape will press up against the A-pillar. That's what you want. Then you bring your other hand around the back and you just press it until it clicks into place on the other side of the pillar. And now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.